Check out this M7 air-angled eye grinder. It cuts, grinds, and polishes metal surfaces. It's also great at deburring. Check out that 90-degree working angle that gets you into tight spaces. And the tool's compact size and weight make it easy to handle. But don't let that fool you. This little powerhouse kicks out 19,000 RPM of pure grinding power. It also comes with 2 collets. Talk about versatility. This is one amazing angled die grinder. We're proud to be the exclusive North American dealer of these air tools from M7. JB Tools offers the best tools at the best prices with fast shipping. Shop with us and save.